Today, we learn micro heights and how to create mid-level engraving in Substance Painter. Using this Colt firearm I created as our base model. Let's get to it.
To create the alpha, set your document to 1024 by 1024 pixels with a black background and white text. Then save it as a PNG. For step 2, import your PNG into Substance Painter. Then navigate to the import settings to select alpha and add it to my assets. Add a new fill layer with a black mask. Then select the layer and set the height to approximately 0.07. Finally, drag your imported text into the alpha channel of the properties. Set the spacing to 400, then with the black mask selected, paint the white text to engrave it onto the Colt firearm using the height channel. Next, add a blur effect to soften the text, as it's currently too sharp for a metal engraving. Finally, add a levels layer and swap the black and white sliders to invert the height effect. Next, add your anchor point at the very top of a stack so it can use the blur below it and capture those soft edges. For stage 3, I will move the mask engraving into a folder and creating a new layer above it. I'll pick an off-white color that matches the metal edges. I'm going to turn off height and normal. We don't need those for this step, and just tweak the roughness and metallic values instead. Now, add a black mask to that layer and drop in a metal edge wear generator. I'm going to tweak some settings now. Under micro height, select the mask engraving anchor point we created at the start. Set that value to true, then bring down the intensity slider. From here, I'll play around with the micro details and curvature intensity to break up that uniform edge. Here's the final result. I've skipped ahead, but the process is the same. I just swapped in different generators, like our dirt, for extra detail. The key takeaway is leveraging micro height and masks by combining them with metal edge wear and dirt generators. It's the same workflow, using anchor point data to drive your details. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.